How to fix Minecraft internal exception, java.net.socket exception connection reset. So the first thing that you can do is try to restart your router or modem to see if that solves the issue. Otherwise, what you can do is right click on the start button and click on settings. Now you want to click on network and internet, and then click on show available networks, and make sure you connect it to an Ethernet, not a Wi-Fi, because it's more stable. Now you want to click on change adapter options and click on your active adapter. So this is the one for me. Right click on it and go to properties, and then click on IPv4 here, TCP IPv4, and then click on use the following DNS instead of automatically obtaining it. Now you want to specify the following DNS, 8.8.8.8 for the preferred. For the alternate, we want to use 8.8.4.4. Now click OK, and then click OK again. Now you will need to disable this and re-enable it for the changes to take effect. Now you can close this. And the next step is to try to temporarily disable the firewall. So we want to go back to the settings, and then you want to click on update and security. Then click on Windows security, virus and threat protection. Click on manage protection settings. Disable the real-time protection temporarily. Then you want to go to the firewall and do the same thing. Disable it temporarily like this for all these domains, for the private, public, and the other domain. So once you've disabled the firewall, you want to close this, and then you want to try to launch the game again to see if that solves the problem. Otherwise, the last solution that you can do is open up your browser and basically just download and install the latest Java version. So you want to search for Java and then click on download Java. And from here, you want to click on Windows Online for the Windows platform. And then once it's downloaded, you want to click on download this file and launch it. And now you will simply follow these steps to install the latest Java. So you want to click on install and just wait for it to install the Java version. And once it's completed, you want to run the command line as admin. So CMD or PowerShell or terminal for Windows 11, it's pretty much the same. And now you want to run these commands, ipconfig // flush DNS like this, press enter, and then netsh space winsock space reset, press enter, and netsh space int space IP space reset, and press enter. Now you can close everything and try to launch the game again as administrator, and that should solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.